Hello, children. So, today in this module, we are going to read the chapter The Browning Version by Terence Rattigan. The Browning Version is a play written by Terence Rattigan and considered as his best work. It was first performed on 8 September 1948 at the Phoenix Theatre, London. It was originally one of the two short plays jointly titled Playbill. The Browning version is set in a boys' public school, and the classics teacher in the play, Crocker Harris, is believed to have been based on Rattigan's classics tutor at Harrow School, J.W. Cook Norris. Summary of the chapter. The Browning version opens in the sitting room of the home of Andrew and Millie Crocker Harris. It is the last day of the school. While all other students have left after school time, Tableau has stay behind. He has been given extra work to do because he had been ill for a day during the week and missed the class. His teacher, Mr. Crocker Harris, has told him that he would come at 6:30 and see the work done by him. It is already 6:40 in evening and Mr. Crocker Harris hasn't arrived yet. Another teacher named Frank comes there. He sees Tableau waiting for Mr. Crocker Harris. He tells Tableau that he should go because Mr. Crocker Harris hasn't arrived. But Tableau doesn't dare to do that. Frank feels jealous to see that students hold Mr. Crocker Harris in such fear. He encourages Tableau to make fun of Mr. Crocker Harris. In the meantime, Mrs. Crocker Harris comes there. She says that her husband has gone somewhere and it would take him quite some time to come back. She asks Tableau to go and play until Mr. Crocker Harris comes. Still, Tableau is afraid to go. She says that she will take this on herself and sends Tableau to a chemist to get some medicine. Clearly, the main purpose is not to get the medicine, but to help the poor boy enjoy freedom for some time at least. Character sketch. John Tableau. Tableau is a teenager, a lower fifth grade student of science. He is a student of Mr. Crocker Harris. His conversation with Frank gives a wide view of his character and also the character of Crocker Harris. It tells about his likes and dislikes. He wants to specialize in the subject of science. He dislikes arts. He has a strange attitude towards Crocker Harris. He presents his views about the latter in a very frank and straightforward manner. Frank. Frank is a young teacher. He shows a better understanding of student behavior and psychology. He is humble toward his students. He has a friendly attitude towards his students. His conversation with Tableau shows that Tableau is very comfortable discussing the matter with him. Even though Frank is easy in his attitude, he is not of the kind who will appreciate sarcasm on fellow teachers. He quickly points out to Tableau when Tableau gets too carried away mocking Crocker Harris. Crocker Harris. Highly disciplined and principled, Crocker Harris was a teacher who would not compromise on the rules and regulations to suffice sentiments of students. Some may agree with his way of thinking, others may criticize him of being too fastidious. A teacher who was hard on students when it came to studies. He was not of those teachers who would crack romantic jokes in the class to make studies fun. Rather, his jokes were poor. According to his students, Tableau, as not a single student was able to comprehend them. Millie Crocker Harris. Millie is Mr. Crocker Harris' wife. She's a thin woman and is in her late 30s. She dresses herself in smart clothes. She sees Tableau imitating her husband's voice, but she takes it lightly. She finds Tableau waiting for her husband. She can understand very well that Tableau likes to go and play like other boys. She tells him that her husband is at the bursars. It could take him a lot of time there. though she indirectly hints to Tableau that he could go and play. Even then, Tableau dare not go. Then she sends Tableau to a chemist to get some medicine. Sample answers. Now, children, I have given here some questions and the answers of those questions. Okay, I hope if you go through it, it will clear your other doubts which are related to the chapter and will also help you in understanding how to frame answers. Thank you so much. I hope this video would help you in understanding the chapter properly.